aircraft, the P-51 Mustang. The Allies had an advantage that would service in 1944. Allied bomber casualty rates were increasingly high. After the Battle of Britain in 1940, the Royal Air Force were looking for additional aircraft to supplement their Supermarine Spitfires and Hawker Hurricanes. And they designed as an escort fighter, the Mustang, the nickname, the little friend. Front line eastward, delivering Europe from Nazi control. Rolls-Royce-designed V12 Merlin engine and produced about 1,600 total horsepower in war emergency power. And it bolstered the Mustang's capability not only as an air-to-ground platform, but more importantly as an air-to-air aircraft and also as an escort fighter for our Allied bombers. Know of and enjoy today. Their resilience and bravery. They were more than just pilots, but pioneers of change, leaving a trail for inspiration for all. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Minnesota wing of the Commemorative Air Force, it is our pleasure to present to you the Red Tail, the P-51 Mustang.